बुलडोजर चलनी है तो सब पर चलनी चाहिए ना।
मेरा नाम रमन सिंह नहीं,
रमन मलिक जी, बुलडोजर अप्रोच है तो सब पर होनी चाहिए ना। अपनों पर बुलडोजर नहीं चलेगी, क्या अप्रोच है?
अगर इफ ही इज
चलाइए सब पर बुलडोजर, हिम्मत है तो चलाइए,
पार्ट ऑफ इट,
हिम्मत है तो चलाइए ना।
पार्ट ऑफ इट,
करण भूषण पर बुलडोजर चलाइए।
देयर इज एविडेंस दैट ही वाज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन इट।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं विक्रम सिंह? इट्स अप टू यू।
एविडेंस होता है कि वो वहां है तो बिल्कुल उसके ऊपर भी बुलडोजर चलेगा। मेरा होता है मेरे ऊपर भी चलेगा, आपका होता है
कहां चला भैया? कहां चला? महाराष्ट्र में चली, पुणे में चली, कैसरगंज में चली, राजकोट पे चली, जहां बच्चे मर गए राजकोट पे चली।
इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ, इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ, मैं सिर्फ यही निवेदन कर रहा हूं। कलेक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस,
आप डिसाइड करेंगे कहां पे चलना चाहिए।
FIR should incorporate whose cavalcade was that, even if the simple ladies did not, and it should be in, agar FIR में नाम नहीं आया, his name can be brought to light in the investigation, and an expeditious investigation is required so that these questions are answered within the next 24 hours. Otherwise, there'll always be question marks about the integrity of the investigation and the quality of investigation also.
What do I?
It is.
Yeah.
I know that's exactly the point I was trying to make.
Sir, my simple question is, those who have been lynched by the so-called farmer agitation, you were talking about Mr. Tenny's son. Those who have been lynched by these
look at how he's drifting.
Those who have been cut into
he looks
pieces
so
by these
blank.
people,
He
have
looks
they
so
been taken in?
You know, and he's talking all rubbish. He's looking so blank. You're talking about an accident case. He's talking about everything else apart from the accident. He should be speaking on the points, of defense if he has anything to say. That how? So he is talking about everything else, which is not even
What
the subject matter
what
of the
rot are you
debate.
speaking? What rot are you speaking?
You are speaking rubbish, Mr. Raman. You are speaking absolutely rubbish. You've spoken about Palghar. You've spoken about Rajiv Gandhi. You've spoken about
What rubbish am I speaking?
Except,
do you have any evidence?
Is it rubbish?
Sir, if you have evidence, please produce it.
All you have spoken. On
you
this
are
debate
talking rubbish. You are talking utter rubbish. If you have to, please present it.
I am sorry.
And if you're hiding it, a case against you must be filed for hiding and obstructing justice.
Mr. Raman,
do you have any evidence? Are you having any evidence?
No.
Whatsoever?
Mr. Raman, all we are
if you have any evidence, if you have any locus standi, please add his name. Why are you shirking away?
No.
आप क्यों डर रहे हैं? आप नाम क्यों नहीं कराते उनको?
मिस्टर रमन जी,
आप क्यों यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं डर के? आप नामजद करवाइए।
एक्सीडेंट कहाँ पे हुआ?
आप झूठ मत बोलिए। अगर आपके पास एविडेंस है, आप नामजद करवाइए।
रमन जी, एक्सीडेंट कहाँ पे हुआ? आप ये बताएं। एक्सीडेंट कहाँ पे बताएं? किसकी गवर्नमेंट है बताएं?
अरे आप कराइए ना नामजद। अगर आपको यही नहीं पता कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते, तो यहाँ बैठ के कट बोलते रहेंगे।
मिस्टर रमन, I think you have lost all logics here. You are
okay, ladies and gentlemen, I need to close this, so I'll say at the very end, the way I see it, there cannot be any impunity to anyone, however big a party is. The way I see it is that the bigger the electoral imprint of the BJP, the bigger the imprint of the BJP gets nationally, they also have a greater responsibility, ladies and gentlemen. Not just to implement justice vis-a-vis others, but to ensure that within their governments, within their own political parties, and among their BJP candidates, there is also a compliance with the law. There are two cases today which make us think. Case number one, what has happened, ladies and gentlemen, in Pune. And the BJP must be very, very conscious of the fact that a sense of entitlement should not seem to appear to be a malaise of the BJP and its allies. What is unraveling in Pune is a huge political protection angle. The BJP's choice of being an ally is raising questions. The case in Karnataka of Prajwal Revanna deciding terms of being a mass rapist, it's a political choice the BJP has made to be in alliance with the JDS. But ladies and gentlemen, the third case right now, the protection of Brijbhushan Sharan Singh's son in Uttar Pradesh in Kesarganj, all of this will not also go unnoticed by the electorate. In all these cases, action must be taken. And in none of these cases should there be an impression given that the bulldozer approach is applied only when it is not on your own. That's the way I see it. Ladies and gentlemen, a very, very detailed coverage of the Pune expose is on the other side.